Next, crochet the 10th round. The pattern for the 10th round is 6 single crochets followed by an increase, repeated 4 times. Then repeat this pattern. After completing this round, there will be 32 stitches. Let's start crocheting now. First, crochet 6 single crochets. The first stitch to insert the hook into is where the marker is placed. Now, remove the marker and insert the hook at this point. Crochet the first single crochet stitch, the second single crochet, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. Alright, 6 single crochets are done. I'm sorry, I forgot to mark the first stitch. Let's find the first stitch now. I've already crocheted 6 single crochets, right? Then count back from the 6th stitch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the first stitch. Mark it, pass through the entire loop. Alright, let's continue down. 6 single crochets in total. After crocheting, the next stitch is an increase. The first set of 6 single crochets and an increase is done now. Now, I'm starting the second set. Three, 4, 5, 6 single crochets followed by an increase. The third set. Six single crochets followed by an increase. Now, crochet the fourth set, the last one. Six single crochets followed by an increase. After crocheting 4 sets, there are a total of 32 stitches. Start counting from the first stitch marked by the marker. Okay. The 10th round is correct. Alright, now I'll slip stitch with the first stitch. Insert the hook and yarn over, then bring it through from another loop. That's how the 10th round ends. Let's start crocheting the starting stitches for the 11th round. From the 11th to the 13th round, it's all single crochet stitches. Each round consists of 32 single crochet stitches. For rounds 11, 12, and 13, each with 32 single crochet stitches. Alright, let's crochet these 3 rounds next. First, remove the marker. Insert the hook into the loop. Bring the yarn out. This is the first single crochet. If you can identify the first stitch next time, you won't need to mark it. If you can't find it, you should always mark it when crocheting each round. How do you determine if you found the right first stitch? You look at the position of the slip stitch after crocheting. The slip stitch looks different from the other single crochet stitches. So if the slip stitch line is straight, it means you've found the right first stitch. Alright, let's crochet these 32 stitches for this round. The first stitch is already done. Continue. The 32 stitches for the 11th round are crocheted. Slip stitch with the first stitch. After the slip stitch, begin the 12th round. First, crochet the starting stitches, then remove the marker. Start crocheting the first single crochet stitch for the 12th round. After crocheting, place the marker here. After crocheting, continue with the slip stitch with the first stitch. Pull the yarn through. Pull through again. Then, crochet the starting stitches for the 13th round. Remove the marker, then crochet the first stitch for the 13th round. the second stitch. I've crocheted 2 stitches. So this is the position of the first stitch. "32 stitches. Okay, do a slip stitch with the first stitch. You can see the slip stitch is straight. That means I've crocheted correctly. Now let's crochet the starting stitches for the 14th round. Okay, now I'll remove this marker. This is where we'll start crocheting the first stitch for the 14th round.